see anybody wearing the red or black, if you see a Braveheart, I want you to scream Braveheart. Everybody knows that helps push each other. We're a team, we push each other. We're a family, we help each other.
That 77th person crossing the finish line is going to see 76 Bravehearts waiting for them. That's
As we finish, as each person finishes, get your water, get your banana, get your snack. I want everybody to hang at the finish line.
Yes.
I don't care if we have to wait an extra 2 hours. We're waiting for that last person.
Hell yeah!
When that last person crosses, they should feel just as good as everybody on this team.
That's right!